Welcome to the future. Revlens is a specialized head-mounted display device that provides a simulated visual environment to physical display, allowing the users to see both digital display and the world through glasses by mixing the real and the virtual worlds. AR is creating immersive experiences that allow users to feel that they are interacting personally with their digital environment. This revolutionary technology makes a greater impact on gaming while covering other industries like healthcare, e-commerce, retail, marketing, education, military, automobiles, and much more. This advanced technology is rapidly changing the way we consume digital content. Revlens comes with a Type-C cable, so you can easily connect your smartphones and laptops, which are compatible with the C display output functionality. Revlens can be the new life into the classrooms, bringing extra creativity, interactivity, and engagement to any subject. AR learning helps students by increasing the time it takes to grasp complex topics. Education institutes and students can use our Revlens. Students are able to study human anatomy using a life-size standing 3D image, which they can walk around and manipulate, dissect with hands, and examine from unobstructed points, which is not possible with cadavers. Revlens devices allow an entire class to see the same images at the same time.
The world has changed.
Nothing is like watching your favorite movie in a big screen, so let's experience a movie as we are sitting in a large movie hall.
Best. And sometimes the best that we can do is to start over.
AR technology in the gaming industry provides with an interactive experience of a real-world environment where the objects that reside in the real world are augmented. Technology changed our lives by implementing something new to already existing things. In the same manner, MR is going to transform lives by revolutionizing the way of interacting in the world. It will have an impact on different dimensions and verticals of life or business industries. Will it be your travel industry, education, etc.? Mixed reality poses a huge opportunity to solve business issues.